Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to replace this seat switch in this 2011 Ford Explorer. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. This seat switch is not functioning properly. It goes down, goes up, goes down and up in the front, goes forward, goes back. But when you go to recline it, it goes backwards, but it will not go forward. So there's a problem with the seat switch. All right, show this instead of releasing from earlier. Okay, so I'm gonna go all the way up with the seat, and then on the back side here, I'm gonna push out. There's some clips up here. There should be one right here and should be one right here. And then you're gonna slide it because there's a little tab right here. Then we can disconnect the electrical connector. Just push this button. Wiggle it a little bit and pull it out. We have to pop these buttons off. Take some trim tools. Slide under the switch button. Just pry up. Some tabs in there that lock on to these. And same with this one. Pry that one up. And this one can stay in the switch. From the back side, I'm just going to apply a little pressure on the switch. This is the lumbar switch. Just going to use a straight blade screwdriver, release these locks. And there's the switch. So here's our new switch, and we're just gonna line it up. Line this oval shaped button with the oval hole. Line that in there, and then just press it in. And we'll take these buttons. It's a good idea to replace these buttons, but we're gonna reuse ours. Just line this one up. This circle tab right here goes with this bigger circle right there. Lock it in place. And this one, it doesn't matter which way this goes, it can go either direction. Get it lined up, lock it in place, make sure they move around. Now we're gonna connect the connector right here, just line it up, put it in. We can test the seat, make sure everything works. Up, down, forward, up, and then back, and then forward. So the new switch works. So now we're gonna slide this in right here. This little tab right there, and lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.